Hello viewers, you're welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this beautiful Olympiad problem. The question said a to the power 3 minus b to the power 3 equals 61. So what is a plus b? Such that a plus b belongs to natural number, that is, we're going to have n to be 1, 2, 3, that is counting number, and so on. So from here, we have this a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 to be a minus b, that is, we can factorize this in this form: a minus b, a squared plus ab plus a plus b squared, right? So now, and here we've already stated that a cube minus b cube is 61, so this is going to be 61. So this implies that a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared then equals 61. Are you following? So from there, so the next thing we are going to do is, we've actually factorized this and this. So now let us factorize this 61. No, this 61 can only be factorized as maybe 61 multiplied by 1, or you said 1 multiplied by 61. So because 61 is a prime factor, or is a prime number, so now from there, the next thing we are going to do is, so since we have this, so now we are going to compare this and this together. Which one is smaller, which one is bigger? So you know that we can have this to be a minus b is less than a squared plus a b plus b squared, right? So now from there, what we are going to do is that here, let's compare this one also. You can see that 61 is bigger, so we are going to connect this 61 with the bigger one here, and we connect the one with the smaller one here. So now this implies that a minus what? A minus b will be equals what? Will be equals 1. Let's call this equation 1. And a squared plus ab plus b squared equals 61 will be equation what? Will be equation 2. So now the next thing we are going to do, so now let's from 1, okay, let's make a the subject formula. So it's going to be a equals 1 plus b, or you said b plus 1, anyone. So therefore we are going to take this, let's call this equation 3, any of this. So we are going to get a plus b, that is a equals b plus 1. So now we are going to pick this 3 into what? Into this equation 2, that is from 2 we're going to have, anywhere we see a, we replace b plus 1. We have b plus 1 all squared plus b plus 1, okay, have b plus 1, then b here multiplied by b plus b squared equals 61. So now from there we continue. We have, opening this bracket here, we're going to have b squared, okay, plus what? Plus 2b plus 1. Then here b will open the bracket, we have b squared plus b, then plus b squared equals 61. So from there we have what? We have b squared, b squared, b squared. So that's going to be 3b squared. We have 2b, we have 2b here. This is good. We have 2b, we have a b here. We're going to have 3b. We have what? We have plus 1. I can transpose this 61 to this side. We have 61 equals 0. So now from here we have 3b squared plus 3b. Then this is going to be minus 60 equals what? Equals 0. So now from there, what do we have? We can actually divide through by 3. Okay, so to reduce the equation, so we're going to have this to be b squared, okay, plus b minus what? Minus 20 equals 0. So now we have what? We have this quadratic equation. So now we need to solve this quadratic equation, okay. So now this is going to be like, this quadratic equation is going to be like this. So now here we are going to have something like this equals 0. So here we have b, here we have b here. Look for the two factors that when you multiply them together, you're going to have what? Minus 20. And when you add them together, you're going to have plus b. And that is what? That is plus 5 minus 4. So now plus 5 times minus 4, you're going to have minus 20 but plus 5 plus minus 4, we're going to have this one at the middle. So therefore we have b plus 5 equals 0, or b minus 4 equals 0. So now we have b to be equals minus what? Minus 5. Then we have b here to be what? 4. Okay, so therefore for a plus b, right, since we have b here to be what? To be minus 5, and we have b to be 4 here. So what we are going to do is that we're going to disconnect this one. We try to discard this because it's giving us negative. So now what we need to do now, since we have what? We have b, because the reason why we discard this, now when you go to where we said we should have what? We should have from here. Okay, let's say from 3 here. If you look at from 3 here, we have b plus 1. Okay, if b should be minus, okay, let's say minus 5 now. So we have what? We have b plus 1 to be equals what? A. That is a equals b plus 1. So now if you have a like this, so now picking these two values we have, if you pick minus 5 you have minus 5, okay, plus what? Plus 1. So you can see that this is going to be a equals minus 4. Do you understand? So if a is minus 4 and we have what? We have b to be 4, you can see that if you say minus 4 plus 4, that is going to give us 0. But what we are looking for is when n what? When n is a plus b must be what? Must be a natural number. Are you getting it now? So therefore what we're going to do is we are going to discard this. Okay, so this is not going to be done, but we're going to pick what? We're going to pick b equals 4. So now since b equals 4, we have a equals b plus 1. Then we have a to be b is 4 plus 1. We have a to be 4 plus 1 is 5. So now what they ask us to find now, so now what we are looking for now is that they said a plus b. So a is what? A is 5, then b is 4. Do you understand? Because we have b to be 4 here and we have a to be 5 here. So a plus b is going to be what? It's going to be 9. So therefore what we are looking for, a plus b now, is equals to what? Equals to 9. And that is the solution to the problem. So if you find the class very interesting, kindly share this class to your colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.